Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a loopy dance in our Let's Dance project. So in the previous video, I showed you a dance that looks something kind of like this. I'm going to get rid of this code. I'm going to show you another way that you can make a dance. So instead of selecting which costume you're going to do, you could actually do next costume. And just like before, you're going to add in a wait. So this will make it so that she switches the costume every single time. However, I want to add in a pattern. And so what I'm going to do is say, wait 0.5 seconds on this one. And I'm going to do this part 3 times. 3. And then I'm going to do this part, 2 times. So what this is going to do is going to create a cha-cha pattern. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. And the reason why it's going to go cha-cha is because this is twice as fast. So it's like going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So check this out. Press the green flag. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. So it's doing this part. 3rd time, and then cha-cha, doing that twice as fast. So experiment with using loops inside of loops to create a really interesting dance pattern for your dancers. And if you like the previous dance where you're selecting it, you can add this as a new dancer and have 2 dancers on stage. One doing a specific pattern and another doing a repeat where they're switching costumes using next costume. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.